Oh snap. Anyways, good morning everybody. It's January 3rd. It's almost like 11ish, I believe. But yeah, I'm about to start getting my day ready. I got an appointment at 1. Man, editing yesterday's video, man, I didn't finish editing till like 11:30ish. Posted like around like 12. But then it got copyrighted, so I had to repost it around like I think like 3 something or whatnot. But yeah, like after I did that workout yesterday and I was about to watch that Georgia Notre Georgia Notre Dame game, which was buns by the way, I like fell asleep, took a nap for 4 hours, and then woke up, ate some dinner, something slight. Then I just started editing this video. Well, not this video, but yesterday's video. So I was tired. That's why it uploaded so late and whatnot. So right now I'm about to start getting ready. I got an appointment at 1. I might need some breakfast, get dressed and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch y'all a little later. Oh no, almost forgot. The little workout, what is it? 30-day challenge? Today's the rest day, so I don't go back to doing that until Saturday. But the push-up thing, I'm gonna do that after when I come back from my appointment, I'm gonna do that and then go from there. But yeah, catch y'all later. Now I gotta rush. Kinda, sorta. Got 10 minutes. Well, I got 25 minutes, 15-minute grace period. But yeah, let's get it and go. What the heck? We pushing time, but we'll get there. Oh, we'll get there. Bruh, is it raining and snowing? Yo, it's really snowing out here. Uncle just called me. Gotta stop by the grocery store before I go in. Then the snow decided to come my way. I ain't gonna lie, that's the dirtiest thing I've seen today. The dirtiest. Cause like, why? Why not just put it back? Like, look. I got the sourdough one. I'm gonna put this back and get those. What a... Oh my god, I almost fell. Put that back. And these pretzels. Now we leave. Ouch! Oh, my groin. Man, oh man. Snow of all things, bro. Let's just head home. We're home. Oh, it's really snowing out here though. It is crazy works, man. Crazy works. All right, so back from all them appointments and whatever. Bruh, raining and snowing. DC, pick a weather. Why is it raining and snowing outside? Anyways, back to the how many push-ups you can do or whatnot. So let's get into that. Is that a good angle? Oh! Hang on here. Hold on. Let me see. All right, yeah. I feel like I was a little bit better than yesterday. Lucky for the tightness in my chest right now. But yeah, good work out for today. Whew. Good little workout. Tomorrow, I gotta work to what, 3 to 10. So that little exercise, I'm gonna do it like before I go to work, and then do like the push-up thing before I go to work too. I'm out of breath. Hold on. All right, but yeah. Right now it's like what? I think it's like 4:47. I'm about to chill and stream, and honestly, it's probably the last time y'all see me, because after this, I'm gonna start editing and then try to post before 10. That's the goal today. But yeah, man, hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'm out. Peace.